Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Epic Wolf. In this video, we are going to see the hand tracking calculator using sign language. Okay, I will show first output of this program. See, it recognize my hand. Okay, we do some mathematical operations. First, I show my index finger. Then also I show index finger plus two. Wait, it will work. 1 plus equal to 3. Okay, now it is working now. We move on this program coding part. CV2 and MediaPipe. Initially we want these two libraries. How to install these two libraries? Just go to, I am using VS Code for this coding and 3.11.5 version for I am used for this coding in Python version. CV2 and MediaPipe. CV2 is for capture the video, MediaPipe for hand tracking. So how to install this? Just go to the new terminal, open your VS Code new terminal. Just type this command pip install opencv python. Okay, after typed enter it will be get installed. And MediaPipe same command MediaPipe. Okay, then it will also install. Okay, I will explain the coding part. Okay, first line of this code, mp hands equal to mp dot solution dot hands means we get a solution from the hands. How to get? Using MediaPipe. Okay, solution means that gesture points, landmark points. So initialize this. After initialize these two lines, because hands function, we get hands and drawing utilities. So initialize these two. After this line, what this will perform means the video capturing. It initialize the video. It start the video capture. These two lines for list, empty list for storing the coordinates of weight and height. X will be store the weight and Y will be store the height. And one empty text, it store the input of the gesture. Okay, what gesture is storing, showing the user. Okay, what is this? K means we initially k equal to 0. It means it mapping the id set. Which mapping will be showing the user, it will change, the k will be changed that map. Okay, then we do this operations, 9 operations. Wait, I will minimize this 9 operations, 9 numbers. Okay, 0 to 1 and addition, subtraction, division operations. Okay, how it will be performed means we show the finger, we show your hand. 0 means 6. Okay, from count this empty set to 1, this empty set 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 means 0. 6 means 0 means how will be count? Wait, I will show that. This is empty, this is 0. Okay, this is 1, this is 2. 1 and 2 in text means it is show a second, number 2. You understand that? Just okay. After the while equal to 2 true means initially the video will be processed continuously. So infinity loop we use this. After this 4 lines, first read the cam, the image will be get flipped. Flip means horizontally change and change the color bgr to rgb. Then process the image for landmark. Then if result dot landmark means you get a landmarks after to put into a loop to separate enumerate function to use separate weight and height. Okay, landmark weight and height stored into this list using append operation. Empty list, every time it will be reset and store. Then this is important one. What is this means? A small means id. Small means your hand not open. Big means this index. Big means your hand is open. Initially small means it pointing the four numbers, pointing four index. Oh wait, okay, it's some problem. Okay, it just small means your hand fingers are all are closed. Big means your hand any one finger is open. So coordinate like that. For yeah, which id will showing, it will be stored in string format in id. Okay, then you count will be increase the count. After this is important. When the equal operation will be you this program deducted, then do the mathematical operation and show the output. Okay, do the mathematical operation, show the output. Else same detecting the text operation, uh, any text operation will showing 2 or 3 not equal. Okay, then put the output in text format and draw the utility landmarks. Okay, draw the utility landmarks. uh, in case no output will find, the text will be empty again. Clear the text. These 2 lines just you show. Im dash show means it webcam will be start framing, start show the frame. Okay, you will understand this code. I'm give this code in my github. In this video, in description I add my github link also. Okay, thank you.